Hey guys, so today we're going to be making maple brown sugar spiral ham. So I'm going to put this in the oven on 325, 10 minutes per pound, and my ham is 10 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this with foil and put it in the oven. Okay, you're going to need some brown sugar. Okay, so we put in our ground mustard, half teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna put in some nutmeg. You just wanna add in your butter, your maple syrup, brown sugar, and then the whole mix of spices that we combined in that bowl. Just gonna remove this from the heat. It doesn't take long. You just wanna warm it up so you can get everything mixed together. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. It's been in there for an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glaze on now. So I'm just gonna pour some over top, and then I'm gonna work it through. You see that? I know like it's seeping through already, but so I'm just putting some in between each little crack, and I'm gonna get all the way on the sides over here. We won't miss them sides either. And you want to make sure you get some around the front. So I'm gonna put this back in the oven for 30 minutes. All right, guys. So here is our ham. It smells super good in here, y'all. I wish I could smell how it smells up in here because it smells bomb. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at Erika Cole Cooking. I'm on TikTok as Erika Cole Cooking.